My name is Theon Nazeer. I work with interactive and immersive installations. I am studying here at LABA Valencia. I am currently doing my international masters for multimedia creation for live shows. I ventured into music from a very young age. I played a variety of different instruments over the years. And then I headed to Singapore to pursue a diploma in audio production and sound engineering. During that time, I actually worked for a lot of big companies in Singapore, for different sound companies and production companies as well. I ended up joining a band from Thailand. We were playing a lot of metal rock genres, and we performed around Asia. We did a couple of tours around Asia and Russia. Performed at a lot of big venues, which attracted a lot of international attention. So that was a really big thing for us. Then I moved from Singapore to Spain. Interested in interactive and immersive productions, I started my international masters for multimedia creation and live shows at LABA Valencia in Spain. I had the opportunity to delve into touch designer, video mapping, light art, and immersive experiences. So currently I am working on a couple of installations, in which one of the installations that I'm working on, it's a very musical, interactive, visual experience where there's a lot of physical interaction, where we're working with a lot of sensors, like touch sensors. Some of them are distance-based sensors, which gets people to feel like they're really contributing to this experience, this beautiful musical visual experience. In addition, I am working on another installation in which we're touching upon light art, and we're creating a giant laser structure. It's big, but it's delicate, it's beautiful synchronization between light and sound. I have the opportunity to experiment and really mix all these different mediums and technologies all together. Now I love where I am. I absolutely enjoy the challenges and the constant learning of new things, the new trends, the new technologies. So I currently live in Valencia, and I'm always on the move between Europe, Asia, and Africa.